Hello, Facebook. So tonight on How Hugh Eats Fruit, you see me eat a lot of fruit and decorate a little bit of fruit, so I saw that there were 3 bananas sitting around, so until the bananas go bad each night, I'm going to try to decorate a banana in a new way. I didn't know that people decorated bananas, but apparently they do. So tonight, I'm going to try to make a banana look like a wiener dog. So this one's for my brother. Rooney, this one's a wiener dog. Now, some guys used patterns and some people just cut them. So I went ahead and got a Sharpie and I roughly cut out the pattern that I think is similar to the pattern that they used. So I'm going to finish that up real quick and I'm going to try to cut this out the way that they cut it out for a wiener dog. It looked pretty good. The first thing they did was they cut the little legs. And I have my toothpicks, so I need a couple toothpicks. And then we'll see how this goes. Start by cutting the little legs. And of course, they made it look a whole lot easier, so they'd actually probably cut a lot of wiener dog legs before. So I'm going to put that like that. And good thing wiener dogs have little tiny short legs. I guess that's kind of what makes them amusing looking. Okay, so you got your little short legs on that side. Make some little short wiener dog legs on this side. Okay, so there's little short wiener dog legs. Don't know if you can see them. Now this is where they got a little bit tricky in what they did and how they actually made them stand up. So they didn't really show what they did, so they were being kind of okay. So we'll get the toothpick. Something like that, something like that. I may have to redo those afterwards. Okay, and they cut out the head. And the ears. Okay. No, don't really remember what they did here, so I'm going to have to get just a little bit creative. I think maybe they ate some of the banana. So you know what? I'm going to eat some of the banana. Very delicious. Okay, I'm going to have to trim those down. Those look kind of long to me. Fold this one underneath, put that in there, fold that one, put that one in there. Okay. So there's a little wiener dog body. And then the wiener dog head. I think I got to clear out some of that. See, that's going to be the little wiener dog face. Now they had some kind of peppercorns or cloves or anything but like I don't smoke cloves or any of that stuff, so I'm gonna try to make these into little wiener dog eyeballs. And again, not quite as easy as they made it look. There we go. Oh, perfect. There we go. Okay, I'm going to have to turn this around for just a second. Oh, okay, you know what? I think this is going to be okay. Yeah, this is going to be funny. Wow. Oh, that part wasn't funny. So let's go like this. Go like that. Yeah. Okay. Turn them around. Take a look at them. There he is. I'll move the camera a little closer. Now that's a wiener dog banana. Awesome. So, wiener dog banana. Banana wiener dog. Pretty much nailed that one. Still challenging all of you out there who think this is silly. Do something better. I think maybe I'm going to do the wiener dog, not the wiener dog, maybe the banana dolphin or something else. They had an octopus too, but I didn't like the way that looked. Anyways.